Alright, today we are going to polish some glass. This is a 2002 Ford Focus. I've got some glass polish here. Got this off Amazon. It's got this cerium oxide in it, if that's how you say it. It's meant for polishing glass. And I've got a Hercules polisher right here. Can you see that? Force rotation dual action. And we're going to try to get rid of some of these wiper blade marks. You can kind of see them there. I did just clean this windshield, so all these little spots and everything on there, that's just 22 years of driving. So I put this piece of tape down. I'm going to try to get a good before and after to see just how good this worked, but I'm excited to try this. Alright, so I did just a quick kind of like one pass, crosshatch here, went up and down, crosshatch went back up and down, and it already looks a lot better. Maybe you can tell from that, and God, it looks terrible on the camera with all the little rock chips, but you can see from here there's a little decent scratching, but you come over here and there's a lot of little scratches still. So you come over here, a lot less scratches. I'm going to do it again because there are some bigger scratches, some more scratches around here. So I'm gonna keep going because you can go as many times as you want. It's glass. It's not like paint. You're not going to burn through it. So I'm going to go for a second pass. All right. So after about 20 times going side to side and top to bottom cross hatching, this is the result. So you can still see there's a lot of little like chips from rocks over the years, but you don't really see too many scratches over here. And let me try and get this shot for you. See all the scratches there? Come over here, you don't. That's where the tape was. So you can kind of see them over there as well in that light. And I come over here, and they're gone. And they're back, and they're gone. So overall, I mean, looking through the camera, it's hard to tell, but looking right here, you can see on the top side of that light, you can see all the scratches. On the bottom side, they're gone. So that stuff definitely does work, and it worked really good with this polisher. Now there are some heavier spots that come through on both sides still. Of course, some of these scratches here are deeper than the ones up here, but overall, very happy with this result. All right, here we go, finished result. So you can see around all the lights, there's not really any more scratches. You can't see all like the little swirlies. I mean, granted, there's all the little rock chips from 2002 Ford Focus, but you know, car's been around for a while. But all the scratches are pretty much gone. Now there are some. It ain't perfect. I could keep going over this and over this and over this, but I'm good with the result. Happy with it. Easy. Water bottle, polisher, and towels, but like that's it. So if you got a polisher, it only costs like 30 bucks for the polish. Got you a really nice windshield. It should also remove like hard water spots too. I've used a polisher for that before, so